Kyoto is probably one of the prettiest places in the world in my mind, and it's just gorgeous. Very simple to get the lie of the land once you know where you are and how to get around. If you camp out near Kyoto Station, of course you're going to be able to get around quite easily, but if you move a little higher up to the area I've circled here, you'll find that there's lots of stuff you can do at night time as well. In this video I want to show you a really pretty temple called Tofukuji Temple, which has amazing gardens and is definitely worth checking out. Getting to the temple from Kyoto Station is a small train ride and a little bit of a walk. If you're coming from the Karasuma area, your best bet is to take a bus, and I have to admit, buses were the best way around Kyoto. Getting in a train and underground, you really don't see the sights, but being able to sit on a bus and watch the city drive past you is really the better way to go. Of course, the real best way to get around Kyoto is on a battery-powered bike, but we'll cover that another day. Now, walking from the train station and walking from the bus stop takes two different routes. What you really want to do is take the bus stop route. The reason for this is it's going to take you past some beautiful gardens down a really pretty little street that I just had to take a photo of. My wife didn't see it, but I thought it was just great. And then of course you're going to walk over the bridge to get to Tofukuji Temple. If you take the directions from the train station, you're going to miss all of this stuff. And you'll miss it on the way back out too, because you'll see it, but you won't think to walk down that street. Worst of all is you'll run into a tiny little ice cream shop, and you'll think to yourself, oh yay, vanilla ice cream, when in fact, it's miso flavored ice cream. Definitely not for me, that one. Now I realize some of that camera footage was a little wobbly. I do apologize, I am getting much better at it as now I have an eye for what I need to be filming. And I also have slightly better equipment now than I did when I took this footage. If you'd like to see more of these videos, of course, subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you know when they're coming through. In the next video, I'll show you how we planned a day trip to the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine with its torii gates that go all the way up the hill. You'll need good walking shoes for that one. And in the same day, we went to Byoden Temple, which was just stunning, absolutely stunning.